Hello everyone, it's Amy here at Three Corners Farm, and I just wanted to start vlogging some of our farming experiences so that people can follow along and enjoy the scenery where we live in Oregon, but we can always learn from each other too. So we are a family of 5 and we love homegrown food and animals. That pretty much sums us up. My husband Travis and I have 3 teenagers, and they don't always want to be in the limelight, but you might see them from time to time because they do help out. And we also have a handful of rescue animals that consists of an old horse and a mini pony with kind of a lot of issues. And then we have a goat. She's perfectly healthy, but the horse and pony love her, so she just brings joy to everybody. And then of course we have our chickens, and we have dogs and a cat. But we don't do all of our farming on this property solely. We actually use lots from other places to grow produce on, because what doesn't survive here might survive there, and vice versa. With that said, that kind of catches you up as to who we are and where we live. And then I just wanted to share from the beginning of the year till now, March 1st is when I'm recording this. In January, I kind of thought maybe winter had forgotten us because it was pretty mild, just really wet with rain. But then February came, and oh my, let me tell you, I spoke too soon, because we had some windstorms, and then we got a snowstorm that gave us 20 inches of snow. So we were knee deep in snow, and we were shoveling off roofs, and we're shoveling paths and feeding the animals continuously. I mean, constantly, to keep them warm, because that's how they keep heated the best. And now here we are on the first day of March, and the sun is shining, and I'm swatting bugs away. So I'm sad that I missed recording that experience for you all, but from here on out, I'll try and keep things updated so you can join in the journey, so to speak. But we survived the snow, and now we're enduring what I like to call the great melt. Everything has turned to mud. Our pasture kind of looks like a marsh right now. And not only did we get a lot of rain, I think we got more than we normally do. But we're also working on indoor projects of painting the walls, and we've been living with subflooring for a year in our living room and hallway. So we now are about ready to put the floors down, and we're just hoping that we can get it done before we move our projects outside, because we also have to start planting. We need to bring some starts into the house and then get them ready to transfer out to the garden lots here pretty soon. So I hope you guys enjoy it coming along. It's going to be a crazy ride, because this Three Corners Farm business is not fully up and running. It's just something we've dreamed about, and we've been working on for the past maybe just over a year, and we're starting to see it really flourish. Okay, everybody, that's it for now for our first time vlog. So stay well out there, and we will see you again very soon.